Did you know that cyber threats are constantly evolving, targeting unsuspecting users? From phishing scams to malware, seniors face unique online risks. Stay with us to uncover these dangers and learn how to protect yourself effectively. Creating strong, memorable passwords is your first line of defense. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. These simple steps can significantly enhance your online safety. Keeping your software and antivirus programs up to date is crucial. Regular updates patch vulnerabilities and protect against new threats. Make it a habit to check for updates weekly to ensure your computer's defenses are always strong. Regular software updates and system checks are essential for maintaining your computer's health. They improve performance and fix bugs. Don't forget to clean up unnecessary files to keep your device running smoothly. Backing up your important files is a must to prevent data loss. Use cloud storage or an external hard drive. This simple step ensures your cherished memories and vital documents are safe, no matter what happens. By following these steps, you can protect your computer and personal information. Staying informed is your best defense against cyber threats. Remember, knowledge is power in the digital world. Take action today. We review your computer's security settings and make necessary updates today. By doing so, you'll safeguard your digital life and enjoy peace of mind. Let's prioritize our online safety together. Now, it's your turn. Call or write us now and we'll check your computer's security settings and update them if needed. Together, we can create a safer digital environment for everyone. Thank you for watching, and take care of your digital world by contacting us now.